Hello my dear children, are you all learning well at home? Hope everybody are learning well and completing the given worksheets. So come on dear children, let's sing a rhyme and have fun. Come and join with me. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? That was wonderful, children. Now look at this picture. There are so many people in this picture, right? Let me introduce Meenu to all of you. Here is Meenu. Who is she? She is Meenu. Yes. And here is Meenu's father. Tell me children, who is he? Meenu's father. Children, we all live at home with our father and mother. Yes, and sometimes with our grandparents also. And some of us may have a brother or a sister. Is it not? Yes. So, all are our family members, our father, mother, grandparents, brothers, sisters, all are our family. Children, now let's sing a rhyme on our family. Sing it with me children. father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another as all loving families do. Sing it with me. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another as all loving families do. So children, now you have to tell me who all are there in your family. Children, you all are very good. Why you all are very good? Because you have learned the good habits and you are all following it, right? So now we are going to learn some good manners also. Let's learn them one by one. Children, look here. What is the boy doing here? He is helping the old man. Yes. So you should help others. Alright? You should help others, those who are in need. Yes, and you can even help your mama and papa at home by doing some small works like putting a plate in the sink after eating food. Alright, when they ask you to get something, you have to get it for them. When somebody needs a help and they ask you for a help, you should help them. Alright? Yes, you should start helping now onwards. Alright children, will you all do that? Yes, very good. See, look at this picture children. See, the girl is sharing her book with her brother. Okay, if you have a brother at home, okay, or else if you have some friends, you have to share your things with them. Never fight, you should share your things with them. You can even share your toys with your brother and your friends. Alright children? Now look here children, here is a boy and grandmother. The grandmother is saying something to the boy, and what is the boy doing? He is now see here, see the boy is saying hi to the girl over here. So what we understand, we should wish everyone, we should greet them. Say hi, hello, good morning when you meet your friends, and as soon as you get up also you can wish your mama and papa good morning, wish them, greet them. If you have your grandmother and grandfather, you have to wish them also. So whenever you meet people, you have to wish them. Alright children? And now look at this picture children. There is a dog over here and the boy is pampering the dog. Yes. So you should be kind to animals. Never hurt them. Never throw stones at the dogs or any other animal. They will get hurt, right? When you throw stones at them. So you must not do that. You must not hurt them. You should be kind to animals. Alright? So what are all the good manners we learned? Say one by one. Yes, help others. Help others when they are in need. And you have to share your things. The next one is you have to share your things, whether it may be toys or food or books or anything. You must share with your brothers and sisters and even your friends. And here you must listen and obey to elders. Alright, and the next one is you have to greet everyone, you have to wish everyone. Yes, and the next one is you have to be kind to animals. You have to be kind to animals. Now children, let's do a small activity. Now look here children, look at these two pictures. So in the first picture, what is the girl doing? The girl is sharing her book with her brother. And see, what is the girl doing here? The girl is taking away the book from her brother and her brother is crying. She is not sharing her book with her brother. Now what you have to do is, you have to take the picture which is showing good manners. So now tell me children, which picture is showing good manners? Yes, this one. The girl is sharing the book with her brother. So you have to tick this one. Now look at these two pictures children. So what is the boy doing here? The boy is pampering the dog, right? And what is the boy doing here? He is taking a stick to beat the dog. So now tell me children, which is the good manner over here? This or this? Which one? Yes, this one. So you have to tick this one. The boy is pampering the dog. He is showing kindness, right? So you have to tick this one. Children, how do you sit at the table while eating your food? Do you know how to sit? So now we are going to learn some table manners also. Alright children, let's learn some table manners. Now look here children, how is the boy sitting at the table? The boy is sitting straight. So how should you sit at the table while eating food? You should sit straight. Alright children, while eating your food, you should sit straight. Alright, and see here, look at this picture. What is the girl doing over here? She is having her food. And how is she eating her food? She has closed her mouth. Right children? So while eating your food, you should close your mouth and chew the food. So how should you eat your food? You should chew the food with the mouth closed. Alright children, you should eat your food with the mouth closed. Look here children, what is the boy doing over here? He is wiping his mouth with a towel. So the next table manner is, after having your food, you should wash your mouth and wipe it with a towel. Okay, tell me children, which is the next table manner here? You should wipe your mouth with a towel after having your food. Look here children, what is the boy doing here? He is eating his food, right? How is he eating his food? See, he is taking small bites, right? He is taking small bites and he is eating his food. So, you should take small bites and eat your food. This is a table manner. Do not gulp the food. Alright children, do not gulp the food. You should take small bites and eat your food. And now look here children. What is the girl doing? She has finished her food. See, there is no food in her plate. She has finished eating her food. She has completed the food here. And she has not spilled the food also over here. Can you see the table is so neat? Yes, while eating your food, you should complete your food, okay? You should not leave anything in the plate. Whatever food is served in the plate, you have to complete it and do not waste the food. And also you should not spill on the table while eating the food. Alright children, now children, let's see once again what are all the table manners. Sit properly at the table. Alright, sit properly at the table and chew your food with the mouth closed. You should close your mouth and chew the food. And see here, after having finished your food, what you should do? You should wipe your mouth with a towel. Alright? And see here, while eating food, you should take small bites and eat your food. And the next one is, you should finish your food. Don't leave anything in the plate. Alright, you should finish your food. Alright children, so that was all about the table manners children. Hope you will learn the table manners and follow hereafter. Now children, it's time for the activity. Let's do an activity now. Children, now let's do an activity on table manners. Alright, now see, look at the pictures. Observe only these two pictures now. Okay, see this girl and see this girl. So now what you have to do is, you have to circle the one that shows good table manners. Okay, the child who is following the table manners. You have to circle the child who is following the table manners. See, observe these pictures carefully. See here, see the plate, observe the plate here and observe the plate here. So which is a good table manner here? Here the girl has finished her food and see, still food is remaining in the plate, right? Yes, she has not completed the food here. So which is a good table manner here? Yes, so you have to circle this girl who has completed the food. Alright, now observe these two pictures. See, look here, she is taking small bites and eating, right? She is eating. And see the table there. How is the table and how is the table here? So which is a good table manner here? Yes, this one, right? See here, the table is all dirty. She has made the table dirty by spilling the food on the table. And see here, she is eating neatly, right? Now this one is a good table manner. So you have to circle this picture. Alright children? Children, I hope you enjoyed learning Minnus family, good manners and table manners. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care. Bye.